Hi, today is day one craft. We're going to be doing the tabletop football game. It's good for the junior, primary, and pre-primaries. The teaching tie-in that we have with this is, again, it's the tabletop football. For in South America, soccer is called football. It is a favorite sport there, as it is all over the world. It's interesting how people across the globe enjoy some of the same things, but also enjoy many different things as well. These differences in our culture are all started from a very important event in history that is recorded in Genesis 11. When the people built a tower at a palace called Babel. If we start with the Bible, we are able to understand how different languages and cultures came about. So today for the tabletop football, we're going to simply assemble our game here. So you'll need your shirt box, depending on which size you have, and then you have the pattern for the basis of your soccer field. So we are going to take the field and we're going to glue stick that onto the inside bottom of the box to create a complete field. There should be a circle in the middle and the goals at each end. All right, the next step we're going to have is where you take your 2 pieces of white paper. You're going to simulate a crowd of spectators. You're going to use markers to cover one side of each poster board strip with tiny colored circles. And you'll continually do that until the whole crowd is completely filled up, which will look like that. And then you simply will glue stick those to the inside, one side on each side of the boxes for your crowd to watch the game. All right, and the next thing you'll do is you'll take your sheet pattern there with all the different flags, and then you'll have your verses and the soccer ball. You will cut those out to different sizes that they are needed, and then you will, let's see here, glue stick the flags and verses to the outside of the box. And then you'll take the soccer ball, and that will also be glued into the center of your soccer field. All right, we'll shift over to our main one here. This is how it should look once you're completed. You'll be placing different flags along the outside of the box throughout the entire side. Then you will have the 2 straws. Those are just like regular black drinking straws that you'll use. And then the last thing that you'll have is use either Model Magic, or there's different other options you can use. You'll roll that into a ball, then use your black Crayola marker and just make that into the different trapezoid sizes that you need to make it into a soccer. Find an opponent and you're able to play the game.